Hello everyone. This video serves to walk users through the process of using the image upload module for the DLC Solid State Lighting QPL. First, we head over to the DLC website, make sure you're signed in, and also have your organization selected on the user dropdown found here at the top right of the page. Once that's done, we can go straight over to the dashboard and then to the application portal at the top left. We're going to want to look at this left-hand menu and click Upload Product Images. And this brings us to the page where you'll find the manufacturers that you've linked to your account on the sign-in dropdown. These manufacturers are the ones you'll have access to submit applications and images on behalf of. So select the one that you're planning to upload images for here. I'll select Aaron Test Manufacturer to demonstrate. Now we're on the upload portal where you can see all of your organization's products along with their image upload status. So here you can see there are products with the status not submitted. No images have been submitted yet. There are also products that have images submitted and that are pending review. And there are products that have images that have been approved and rejected. At the top of the page here is a bar graph displaying the number of the company's products falling under each of these categories for the status. And this bar graph updates as the statuses change, helping you keep track of the organization's upload progress. So there are two image upload options. We have single image updates and bulk imports, and I'll be walking you through the process of both of these. It's worth noting that the right side of the screen here has useful pointers and instructions for both upload types and important image requirements. So to get started, let's take a look at the single image uploads and updates. All we need to do is find the product we're looking for, which we can do by either sorting, just scrolling, or by searching for a product ID, model number, DLC family code, or primary use designation. So I'm just going to go ahead and select a product that has no image submission. And here on this page, you can see the product's key information. And once you're ready to upload, go ahead and search for a file on your device. And we will do this one. Once you click upload image, you can see the image status change from not submitted to submitted, and you will see your image displayed right here on the screen. So we can then return to the product list where we will see that the table has updated with the image that we have submitted. So we can take a look now at the bar graph. We can see the submitted count has went from 2 to 3. It updated. Now we can take a look at the bulk image uploads. This is the option that we're going to want to use for larger image quantities. So we can click onto the Open Bulk Image Update tool button. And here you can upload your images directly to the bulk image module where you can later associate them with the products they belong with. So I'm going to hit select images. I'm just going to pick some of these images to use. I'm going to upload them. Here we can see a little preview of the images we selected to upload, and then we can start the upload. After the files are uploaded successfully, we can click View and Manage Uploaded Files, where we can see a gallery view of all of the images we've uploaded. You can also delete any of these images uploaded to the gallery as long as they're not in an active submission or associated with the product on the QPL. So after uploading your assets, you can proceed to step 2. Where you can download the mapping file. This is a spreadsheet that will be used to map the images to the products that they belong to. Immediately upon opening the spreadsheet, you'll be greeted with some pointers and instructions walking you through the process of using it. At the bottom, you'll see 2 other tabs. The Products tab consists of your organization's products and key information that will be displayed on the website. And looking over to the right, we have some image URL columns, 3 of them. Columns G and H contain the image URLs for images that have already been submitted, with column G being for images that are pending review, and with column H being images that have been approved and are on the QPL with their products. Scrolling down, you may already see some URLs here, depending on what's already been submitted and what's already been approved. Off to the right here, you'll see the image URL column, and this is where you'll be pasting image URLs, effectively creating the association between the images and the products they belong to. We'll dive a little deeper into that later on. The Uploaded Files tab contains the images you've uploaded, It has their URLs and their names. If your organization happens to have their own URLs, you can paste them directly into the products tab in their corresponding products row in the image URL column here, column I. You can also use public URLs. I'll demonstrate by using an image on the DLC website here. You'll want to use image URLs from your own manufacturer website or internal CDN. All you need to do is find the image you want to use, right-click, and hit Copy Image Link or Copy Image Address. We can then paste that link into the image URL column in the Products tab. If you're using the images you've uploaded previously to the bulk upload module, head back over to the Uploaded Files tab, and you can grab the URLs from right here. It may be beneficial to have these images named so that you can decipher which product they are for. So I'm going to go ahead and begin. It's also worth noting that you can upload one image for many different products if applicable. I'll demonstrate that by using the same URL for multiple images. When you're done with linking all the URLs to their products, all you need to do now is save the file and head back to the image upload module. Although already set on the instructions tab, it's important for me to highlight that any product that you're not updating or associating with an image, you may safely delete it from the spreadsheet without any issues. However, you cannot add columns, rows, or additional tabs, as this may result in the spreadsheet not working as expected. With that, step 3 is now complete, which is just to complete the mapping spreadsheet, so we can proceed to step 4 and upload it. Search through my device to find the spreadsheet, and I'll hit process. Once we hit process, we get a pop-up window showing us what images we submitted and which products they were submitted for. You can scroll through the model numbers to see what products each image has went to. After that, you can close the window. Now your image submissions are waiting to be reviewed. If any get rejected, you'll receive an email that there's been a rejection telling you to log into the image upload module to check it out. As you can see, we see the rejected status along with the reviewer's reason for rejection. And at this point, all you need to do is update the image. And upon uploading another image, the rejected one gets replaced and the image status is back to submitted and it's waiting for a review again. On the other hand, if your image submission has been approved, then no further action is needed and you've successfully uploaded your product image onto the SSL QPL. However, it's also worth noting that even in the case where your image does get approved, you can still replace it if necessary. Click upload. And just like that, this product image status is now submitted and the image is waiting for review. If you have any additional questions or concerns, please email operations@designlabs.org or come to the DLC dashboard, hit Connect with DLC to schedule a meeting with an operations team representative.